last week I happened to buy this new product from the famous furniture shop. I find this bamboo shelf. It's made of bamboo and metal frame. I find it at the by where the napkin and dinner table products. I think they are for the appetizer or something like that for the table. But I find it has the perfect size for my windowsill. Yes. So to survive winter, everybody from the succulent selection has to stay right on the window. But I obviously don't have so much space. So this is, I was first only looking for some shelf that could fit with the size. This one not only fit with the windowsill, but it's also very good looking. I like it very much. The pitch black color frame give you a neat look. I don't like the white frame. It looks bigger than it actually is. I don't have the English word for it, but the color problem. I prefer darker color for frame than the white color. And then the bamboo, of course. Have a look at my selection. This one on the left is my dying variegated bear claw. It was dying when I bought it, but anyway, it's going to die in the shop. So, and this deep frozen lizards it's also because the shop is too cold. I don't know why I do such things. And this one on the right looks better. They are from the same pot. I separate them to increase the chance to survive. I have other lizards and they are in better shape, but it's not here. And here is a dusted variegated bear claw. I don't know how to move this dust. I'm sorry. I tried. I just let him grow at the moment. And this guy, I don't know who he is, but he looks so special, so I just bought it. And here is another stretched succulent, because first I put this in the kitchen. He's obviously not happy about the light condition, but it's very pretty. And the size just fit for a mini size succulent. It looks really nice. If I can dedust the bear claw, I'm really sorry. And here I don't collect cacti, it's just randomly. I bought some. So this means I have chance to buy more succulent. Is that right? Anyway, I highly recommend this, even though I just bought it. It fit, it's handy, and you can just take it and move it around. Especially people like me who has so many small pots of plants, and it's a headache to moving them around. It is really handy. And let me show you this bamboo tablet. These two pieces are the same size, no difference. And here is here maximum. Where is it? Cannot find it anymore. I have another plate right here. Maximum 2.5 kilo. So cannot be heavier than that. Then it will not hold. So I don't shop a lot in that furniture shop, but this one I find it's really handy. especially in winter time. So if you also have hobby to collect mini-sized plants, perhaps you can consider this is very inexpensive and handy, and I think it fits with most of our, modern style interior rooms. Simple, practice, and it's really light up the room looking at these little guys. Even some of them are not in good shape, but I have to get another 4 of mini-sized plants, should I?